Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to go in Orderpro and place full price orders for a home show, or if a hostess wants to reach maybe the next level of rewards and buy some full price books, and then how to redeem the rewards, and then how to submit. So this is probably your first time doing this, so we're going to walk through this pretty clearly and slowly. So I'm already in the back office in Orderpro. So I'm going to click on New Order. So you're going to just put in all the information of your hostess. In this case, I'm just going to put my own info in there because I'm already there. If this is a previous hostess, which it probably isn't right now, but if it is, you can find her info through the previous hostess button. We are not going to worry about tax exempt for home and Facebook parties, so you don't have to worry about that. And this is an important part here. So chances are you're having this shipped to your hostess, unless it's local and you're having everything shipped to you, and then you're going to package up everyone's orders on your own. But if you're going to have this shipped to your hostess, make sure to click that hostess ship to organization button. Very important. I triple, double, quadruple check that all the time. And then the delivery type is probably going to be standard. So you're going to make sure that hostess organization is clicked and that standard is clicked. And then you're going to go to next step. You could put in an order name here. You could do whatever works for you. I like to put in the name of the hostess, the month of the party, and the date of the year of the party. You can store them in different folders if you're fancy. And then the order type, there are lots and lots of order types here. But for a home party or a Facebook party, you are always going to click home party. Both of those types of parties are considered a home party in here. And then if your hostess has a booking and has reached the minimum order amount for the monthly special. So if you're in your first 3 months in your incentive period, your hostess needs $250 in sales and a booking. So if that has happened, woohoo, go ahead and click that button and put in your future hostess's name and the date of their party. If you are out of your incentive period, you're going to look at the monthly hostess rewards flyer that's in the back office, and you'll see the minimum amount, say it's $400 in a booking. So if your hostess has reached that, you'll also fill in this area. Look and make sure I got everything on that page. Sure do. Okay, so let's say you had a home party and you're going to fill in all of your orders. You're going to notice here that we have 2 buttons. So some home parties do both, an in-home party orders, or sometimes a home party will also have the option to place orders through the event link through like a Facebook, or maybe you placed some orders in the home party through the e-commerce already, and you've got some sales in there. If you don't, that's okay too. Maybe you're just putting all of your orders in all at once here. If that's the case, if you have no other sales whatsoever on e-commerce, you don't need to worry about this. Also, if you are, adding some full price books on for your hostess, whether maybe she is asking you to order for her mother-in-law through here for her, or she wants to get to the next level of hostess rewards, you're going to do this, okay? So here is a blue button called Import Event. What this does is it brings in your e-commerce sales for that event into Orderpro. So let's just say that we're going to use, I don't even know, this party. So this party has not yet reached $100 and does not qualify for hostess rewards, but that's going to change once we start putting in full price orders. So now you're going to see that up here, total retail sales, $75.93. So we've got our e-show sales pulled into Orderpro. Again, if you're just inputting all of your home show orders and there have been no online orders whatsoever, you don't need to worry about that button. So now you're going to start putting in your full retail orders. There is a customer receipt mode that you can click on. And this is a nice organized way to put in each customer's order. And this way you can print out a receipt for them to put in their package when they get it. So I'm just going to put in myself because it's already all in there. So you'll see I hit OK. And now when you go to put in the order, it's putting it in under that customer. So you'll notice there's type of selection, full retail, customer special, and learning palette online. So we're going to do full retail. And I'm going to put in some books here. I'm just going to make this up. So I added 4 Tale of Two Beasts. And you'll see that I now have $51.96 in my order. And this qualifies this customer for customer specials. So you can go in to customer specials and it'll pull up all the customer specials that are going on at that time, and you can add in the customer special that that customer wanted. If you want to go back and look at what the full price was again, you just have to toggle back and forth. And now you could even print out a receipt for this customer. Excuse me. You could also do quick entry view. And this is where you can quickly type in all of the books that the customer wants just by the ISBN number. And you can add it to the order this way. So there's 2 different ways to put those orders in. All right. Another thing is when you're putting in your books, there are all these different options up here. I like to go ahead and do display binding show all. If it's just P&H, that's just going to be paperback and hardbound. But if you want some library books in there, do show all. You can search for books by title. If you're searching for books by title, I would click the contains button. And that way, if you put in beasts, it's going to come up with all books that have the word beasts in it. It's just a little easier to find the books that you're looking for that way. You can also search by ISBN number, whatever way that is easiest for you. And you'll see if you click here, I talked about the receipt that you can print. If you click there, it is going to come up with that receipt for you, which is so super snazzy. So you're going to go through and add in all your customers the way I just showed you, all of their orders. And if it is just extra books for your hostess, you don't need to go through that rigmarole. You can just add in the books as you please. So now we've added in some books. And what I do here is you'll notice that right now it has not updated my total. Oh, yes, it has. Sometimes it doesn't, and I have to hit refresh. So now our $75 show is up to $142. And now this is going to qualify for hostess rewards. So you are going to go in. Hold on a second here. Having some issues. All right, I lost my train of thought. Now you're going to go in, and I already did it because I forgot what I was doing. And you're going to click off of customer receipt mode. And that gets back these type of selections that you need. So now you can go in and do your free host rewards for your hostess. And when you click on that, it's going to show you how many free host rewards you have. So you've got $15. So you go ahead and add in her host reward there, and you'll see that it counts down and we only have 1 cent remaining. Then you can go in and fill in the half price host rewards. It's going to show you that you have $25 remaining. And I'm going to go in and put, she wants a busy book. So I do title contains busy, and all the busy books are there for us. So we're going to click add busy bug book. It's my favorite. And she has used up her half price host rewards. If you are putting in any party bonus books here, if she has earned 65% off a certain amount of books for an incentive, or if you are purchasing books for her for an incentive, you can put those in here as well. And we've got a maximum of $50 worth of party bonus books, and those are at 65% off. So then we go to next step. And this is the breakdown of all of the books. Breakdown of retail, breakdown of how much from an e-show was combined, all kinds of good stuff there that you can wade through. So next step, here's the amount due for the order. So you can go in and put in the payments right here. Visa, what are our options? Visa, MasterCard, Discover, debit card. A nice way to do it as well is a nice option is that you can add a new customer payment and put in the exact amount there and all the information. And as you put that in, it'll start adding up how much has been paid. And once all that is done, you click next step, and it's going to let you know here when you review order if you have missed things, which is really nice, and I've missed a lot of things. So it's going to show me that. And it'll tell me what step to go to review my issues and fix them. Once you have fixed your issues, you're going to hit next step, and it's going to ask you if you're ready to submit. It's not going to let me get there right now. But yes, you're going to put some, review, ready to submit. And then your order will be going off to your hostess for her to hand out to her guests, or it's going to be coming to you if that's what you chose, for you to bundle them together and get them out to her guests. So congratulations on submitting your first order through Orderpro. I hope this was clear, and congratulations. You nailed it. Totally nailed it.